In this video, we're going to have a look to see why when selecting categories from advanced custom fields. So here in advanced custom fields, I have a field called taxonomy terms. And inside the taxonomy terms, I've selected product category and I've said all terms and return the term ID. So that's how I've set up the advanced custom field, and this does go on the options page, but the same applies to any use case on the website. And then we have here the name of the field called promotion categories. So now when I head over here to my advanced custom field integration and I go to my query, and here I have a simple product type, a taxonomy query, and I'm looking for taxonomies by term ID, and I'm now going to select the advanced custom field that I created called promotion categories. And I want to use the promotion categories for the values that I output on the website. And the way that that looks is like this. So I select my promotion categories, and based on that selection, I'd like them to appear here in my slider. But you'll see that when I refresh the page, they don't appear in the slider. And I'm now going to just show you why that is. So here I've just hidden some content that explains it. So I'm just going to remove that condition. Right. So basically what happens is that when we look at using the advanced custom field, and here we have the data equals get field from promotion categories on an options page, and we output the data, you'll see that we get this array. And what the Oxygen Builder is looking for is a comma separated list. So we need to output 19, 18, 17 into the advanced query and not the array. So the way that we do that is we use a function, and what this function does is it gets the array from the advanced custom field. It then implodes the value, separating each value by a comma. And we then get the comma separated list, and in this case we just return the values. What I'm going to do now is copy that function name. Now I'm going to head back into Oxygen. I'm going to go back to the repeater, and we're going to go to the query. We're going to head over to the advanced section, and now what I'm going to do is here in the data is I'm going to change from the advanced custom field to the function. I've input the function, we insert, close, save. Now I'm going to head over to the website, and when I hit enter, you'll now see that the products returned are now from categories 19 and 18. Just to show you how that works, if I head over now to my list of categories and I say just show me hoodies, and I update, now you'll see that there's only the entry for the hoodies. And if I go back and then activate the accessories again, in fact I can deactivate hoodies, update. Now you'll see that we'll just return the accessories. And similarly, if I go back to that form, update, and now I've selected accessories and hoodies, you'll see now that instead of the 4 dots, we now have the 5 dots, and that the hoodies are included in the products that are returned for my slider. So that's how we can use advanced custom fields, taxonomy terms in a query, and then use that in the advanced query to output the products. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.